Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you a quick home remedy on how you can whiten your teeth at home. As a result of hormonal factors and many other reasons, sometimes our teeth tend to get yellow or have some other stains on them. And I'm going to be showing you this home remedy that you can use to whiten your teeth without you going to the hospital, without you doing the scaling and polishing treatment. And these are the basic things we need. You're going to be using baking soda. You need some coconut oil. You need like a teaspoon of lime. This is a lime, but if you have lemon, it's better for you. You can use either lime or lemon, anyone is fine. I have some salt here as well. I need just a pinch of salt. And last but not the least, definitely your paste. I'm going to be using the Colgate brand. So I'll start with taking just a teaspoon of baking soda here. I'll take a pinch of salt, just very small salt. I have some coconut oil here. You can use either the solid coconut oil or the liquid form. And coconut oil is very good. Apart from it helping to whiten your teeth, it also helps to prevent plaques, tartar, and it is good for those that have sensitive teeth. That's why I'm adding the coconut oil there. So I'm going to be taking a small teaspoon. I'll be squeezing about a teaspoon of lime as well. Lime is very good for those that want to whiten because it has bleaching properties. Then lastly, the paste, using about a teaspoon. So now that we have all the ingredients, I'm just going to stir this together. Make sure that everything is well fused together and it becomes just one like so. And your mixture is ready. Next, you grab your toothbrush. You just brush your teeth like you would normally morning and evening, and you can store up the remaining portion in a bottle or a little container so that you have something to use each time. You can do this remedy for 7 days to 2 weeks, and by the end of 2 weeks you will see a remarkable difference. You'll see that your yellow teeth or the stains on your teeth has given way to a whiter one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Bye.